Hi everyone, so today I'll be showing you how I made my peppermint herbal hair treatment. So for like a month ago I added some grapeseed oil to a bottle and added pink roses because I was trying to like extract the smell, and yeah, it turned out nice, just that the smell was very strong and I wasn't ready to keep it for long, so I decided to like just use the oil now because I think it's a month old, so I used it for the peppermint treatment. So I blended everything together and then I added let's say half, no, that wasn't half, 1 teaspoon of moringa, and I blended everything together, and after that I applied it to my hair because this treatment is really good. This herbal treatment is really good. It helps to regulate your hair protein. It also helps to restore moisture to your hair, and it works for split ends. Like if you're battling with split ends, this will really help you out. And yes, it was really good for my hair, and I think this is something I'm going to be doing often. So I hope this also helps you too. Try it out, and of course let me know how it was or how it worked for you. Thank you and have a beautiful day. Bye.